Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Sabache, and I am an accredited seller of the MSA Home. So today, tara at itutur ko kayo sa aming one-bedroom unit na 28 square meters. Okay ba? Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel. So today naman, tara samahan niyo ako itutur ko kayo sa aming bedroom na 28 square meters. Best Investments by Mitch Sabache, and I am an accredited seller of the MSA Home. Hello po, so kumusta po kayo? So ito naman today, ang mga ipapakita ko sa inyo is yung mga available units natin dito kay Prisma Residences, particularly kay Kiran Building. So as of April 16, so Wednesday, so available pa itong unit. I hope napanood nyo yung previous video ko na yung dito yung 4106 yung sa likod ng elevator, kasi iba yung unit layout niya. Pero same na one bedroom unit. So for this video naman, ito yung one bedroom na 28 square meters natin. Nandito lang siya, across the hallway lang. Ito yung Lumivent technology natin. Dito yung, actually sa taas ito, atrium level, elevator lobby. Okay? So maliwanag, maliwalas, mahangin. Okay? So ito yung standard natin ng one bedroom unit. So this is a 28 square meters. So ito yung actual turnover deliverables natin. Okay, so kitchen cabinets are included upon the delivery. So nandito yung kitchen mo, and then nandito ngayon sa right side yung ating toilet and bath. And then nandito ngayon yung living and dining area mo. And then may partition siya. Okay, kasi this is a one bedroom unit. Pero may option naman kayo to remove this, pero for approval siya. You may request it upon the turnover kay PMO for the removal of the partition. Okay? Yung flooring natin, vinyl wooden planks yan, from all the way the unit, from the bedroom to the kitchen area. Then of course, meron tayong sariling balcony. So what is good about this unit is this unit is facing towards Laguna de Bay. So ito, makikita ninyo ang ganda ng view natin dito. Imagine mo na lang, right now 10 o'clock, pagising mo, kape ka, di ba? Ito yung view mo. So napakaganda. Okay, so ayan, so this concludes my tour here for our one bedroom unit. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung numbers ko, naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp, pwede tayo mag-schedule, via Zoom, through online presentation. At the same time, pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. Pwede natin puntahan itong project na to para maipakita ko sa inyo at ma-tour ko kayo dito. Okay? So thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube ay ma-notify kayo. So thank you po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.